As per mapping document, I developed graphs and p-sets by using transform components like rollup, reformat, scan, join, and departition components and partition components. I promote a code from one environment to another environment, from, for example, development to SIT, SIT to UAT, and UAT to pre-production, and pre-production to production.
Okay. So you completely worked into like you are into development, right?
Yeah.
So okay. So as I said, you extensively worked in transform functions. So like, can you explain about output index and output indexes functionality in Reformer?
Okay, output indexes. We send one data from one port by using output index. By using output indexes, we send one data to multiple ports.
So how will you write that? How will you do that actually? Output index, will you write any transform logic or how?
Sir,
What is the output indexes? So will you write like, how will you write that code in the output indexes?
By using output indexes in a reformat.
Yeah.
Output indexes and indexes by using reformat. We take an count value. For example, we take 2 for count value, 8 tag create tag name. For example, output index 1 to 1. For example, output indexes 1 to many. For example, output indexes, if we are taken count value increase, the output indexes and the transform components are increased in reformat. In this output index, we write code as if we take if in city w equal to, for example, if in city w equal to Hyderabad, vector we take 0 and 1, else vector 1 comma 2 we take in brashes.
So we have a file with 10 records. Then I want to like process only the records from 3rd record to 8th record in the reformat. So how will you take only 3rd to 8th record from a file?
Sir, once repeat the question, please.
Yeah, we have 10 records in a file.
Okay.
So I want only 3rd to 8th record. 3rd record to 8th record. Yeah. How will you get those records?
3rd to 8th record I require. Okay. For example, if we in 3 and 8 less than or equal to 3 and greater than or equal to 8.
Where, how will you mention?
Sir?
What less than or equal? I mean, can you elaborate it? What is less than or equal to 3? What is less than greater than or equal to 3? What is less than or equal to 8?
in V0 equal to greater than or equal to 3.
Okay.
For example, okay, in vocation number greater than or equal to 3. Next, in vocation number less than or equal to 8.
Okay. Then how will you send records to reject port in the reformer?
Reject port in a reformat. In reformat, reject port input. Okay, in 0 equal to in 0 not equal to in 1. In 0 count not equal to in 1 count. Here force error, record count not matched, else 1.
So do what is data parallelism?
Data parallelism. By using partition components, we did data parallelism. Partition components like partition by key, partition by round robin, partition by expression, partition by load balance, broadcast, partition by percentage, partition by range. We create.
What is round partition by round robin?
Partition by round robin, we send one input to multiple outputs. We send data one input to multiple outputs in equal.
So in order to do that, what is the parameter we'll use?
In round robin?
Yeah.
No sir, in round robin we didn't have parameters. I mean only block size is there.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. Yeah,
Block size.
okay.
As per block size it sends equally to all output ports.
Okay. So how will you find out second highest salary department wise? Okay, let's say we have department and employee name and salaries. Okay.
Department, employee name
and salary fields.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need to find out second highest salary in each department.
By using Abinitio.
Yeah, okay. Abinitio.
Okay.
So what are the components?
Okay, sir. Component is scan. Okay. So by using first we take data in input file. After that we sort the data and send to scan component. In scan
Okay.
component we take an key as department number, salary and salary in descending order.
Okay.
In scan also we take department number as a key. In scan we take temporary variables and in output select we give rank greater than or equal to 2.
Sorry, output?
In output select package editor mode we have output select. In that we give 2 rank.
Okay. In scan, will you use normal transform or extended transform for this?
Expanded mode.
Expanded mode.
Yeah.
So, do we need to like initialize any variables, or
yes,
do we
sir.
need to add any key change function here?
We had to take temporary variables in place of rank and salary. We take 2 temporary variables.
Okay. One more scenario.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's say we have like 10 hours. It's cricket related.
Okay.
So 10 hours. Yeah. So we need to find out the overall runs per each over.
Okay.
Okay. So 1 hour contains 6 balls. Okay. Then how will you achieve? So per over these many runs they have scored. So that would be my interested output. So how will you achieve that? We need to find out the total runs for every over.
Okay. In input file we take an overs and by using rollup component we take key change function. Okay. If next in sequence 6 equal to 0, that case we give 1, else 0.
In key change function, you next in sequence you will take, right?
Yes, sir. Next in sequence.
Can you repeat that?
Sir?
Can you repeat that? Next in sequence?
Next in sequence 6
Is equal
modulus.
to 6.
Yes, sir. 6 equal to 0. In that case, we reflect 1, else 0.
Okay. So how do you find out the number of elements in a vector?
To find out number of
elements in a vector. Like vector A, B, C we have. So that
length of
elements are like A, B, C, right? So number of elements means 3 I need to
length of
which one?
length of
Length of function units.
yeah.
Okay. So, what do you know about this driving port?
Driving port has a very largest memory in disk, very largest
Sorry.
input. Driving port means if we give shorted input, I think uh, input must be. For example, we have two input files. One file had 100 MB and another file had 1 GB. In that case, we select driving port. What are the having largest memory? That is, we taken as a in driving port. For example, in one we have 1 GB. That file we taken in driving port. Largest input taken as a driving port.
What is max core?
Sir?
Max core.
Maximum memory utilized by the component before split into disk.
Okay. What is the runtime behavior of reformer?
Runtime behavior count, select, runtime behavior.
Yeah, runtime behavior of reformer component.
Runtime behavior. Select and okay. Select.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Select, count, output index or output indexes, transform.
So, what are the types of joins?
Types of joins are.
Mostly used actually.
Sir, sorry.
Yeah, go ahead with the types of joins.
Inner join, full outer join, left outer join, right outer join, and Cartesian. Hello.
Yeah. So, how do you create a multi-file from serial?
From serial creation.
Serial to multi-file.
Serial to multi-file. By using partition serial to multi. By using partition components.
And sorry. How will you run a graph in backend Unix?
Sir, your voice is slow. I can't hear. Once repeat, please.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yeah. How will you run a graph in backend?
A sandbox
Unix.
run.
Okay. So, how will you create a pset on for a graph?
In edit option, we click parameters.
Okay. How many for each pset? How many graphs we can have? How many maximum number of graphs we can have?
Maximum number of graphs. One.
Only one.
Yeah.
Okay. For one graph, how many p sets we can create?
Maximum number.
Yeah.
Maximum number is many, sir. Exactly how can many pieces we
What?
create?
Okay. What is Abinitio RC file? Abinitio RC.
C file is an environment variable.
Okay. What information does it have?
AB home. AB underscore home information, total information. Sir?
Okay. Uh, do you know about plants?
No, sir. I can't
Did you
work on that.
you didn't work on plants?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How do you check out a graph? From using air commands.
A commands. Check out. A project export.
Okay.
Sir, please. Sorry.
Hello.
Sir, tell me.
Yeah. So in SQL.
In?
So SQL, sir. SQL. Okay.
Okay.
SQL related question. From a table, how will you remove duplicates?
How will you duplicate? Will you remove duplicates? Can I explain syntax?
Sorry. In a table,
Okay.
there are 10 records,
Okay.
but there are duplicates available. Like same record is coming again.
Okay.
Okay. So we need to remove or delete those records. So how will you delete the duplicate records?
Delete from table where row ID not in. We open the bracket. Select minimum row ID, min row ID from table group by column 1, column 2, and so on, like that.
Sorry, can you repeat?
Okay. Delete from table where row ID not in. Select min row ID from table group by column 1, column 2, column 3, and so on.
Okay. So what is the difference between API mode and utility mode?
In API mode, we check the data and send in order. In utility mode, we didn't check any order. When loading purpose only, we use utility mode. We unloading purpose only, we use the API mode.
Okay. And which is the better one?
API.
For loading?
Better one means by using API we take so much of time. By using utility mode, it takes very less time because
why it will take so much of time?
Because it check before processing, it check the data and it place it in order like that. That's why it takes time.
So it check. You are saying it will check the starting order.
Yes, conditional. It's sent in conditional format. For example, API mode is in conditional format. In utility mode, unconditional. That's why API mode takes time.
How will you lock a particular graph using a commands?
So please once. Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, once
Did you
repeat.
get my question?
Once repeat, sir, please.
Yeah. How to lock a graph using air commands?
A project lock.
No. I'm saying like how to lock a graph using air command.
A lock.
Can you tell? Okay, air lock. How will you find out all the versions of a graph using air command?
A project versions.
Okay. How to like create a tag
How to
using air commands?
Tag means how to create a tag. A tag name.
A tag.
Tag name.
Okay.
And exact hyphen exact file name also.
So there is a file. Okay. So there are 100 records. I want to get the result like with one particular pattern. So it's like key pattern. Based on the pattern, I want to print all the records which are having that pattern in it. So in Unix, how will you achieve that?
Sir, please once repeat. I can't understand that
Yeah.
question. Oh, once repeat, sir, please.
Yeah, there is a file.
Okay.
So there are 100 records in that file.
Okay.
So yeah, based on a pattern, I want to print the records from that file
Okay.
which matches that particular pattern.
In Unix,
Yeah.
grep command or
Yeah.
ls list of files ls hyphen lrth.
Can you come again?
By using grep command, we can 1 minute. ls hyphen ls hyphen start dollar ls hyphen lart star patr star.
Okay. What are the commands you mostly used in Unix actually?
Change command, move command, copy, and
How will you
set
give full permissions to a file?
change mode
Okay.
by
What is
using
that
change mode command.
number you will give? Permission number?
Permission number 7, sir. Total permissions number.
Huh?
Total permissions number 7. For one file we given permissions means change mode 755 file.
Okay. And 1 second.
Okay, sir.
What is in SQL, what is the difference between primary key, foreign key, and unique key?
Primary key means it does not allows null values and duplicate values. Foreign key, it is the relationship. It tells the relationship between parent and child tables. And unique key means it does not allow duplicate values.
So, what is the difference between primary and unique key then? If those both are not allowing duplicates.
Yes, sir.
There is no difference.
There is no difference. It is unique does not allows duplicate values but allows null values. But in primary key.
Okay, got it. Yeah. Okay, Sheshavin.
As per mapping document, I developed graphs and p-sets by using transform components like rollup, reformat, scan, join, and departition components and partition components. I promote a code from one environment to another environment, from, for example, development to SIT, SIT to UAT, and UAT to pre-production, and pre-production to production.
Okay. So you completely worked into you are into development, right?
Yeah.
So okay. So as I said, you extensively worked in transform functions. So can you explain about output index and output indexes functionality in Reformer?
Okay, output indexes. We send one data from one port by using output index. By using output indexes, we send one data to multiple ports.
So how will you write that? How will you do that actually? Output index, will you write any transform logic or how?
Sir,
What is the output indexes? So will you write how will you write that code in the output indexes?
By using output indexes in a reformat.
Yeah.
Output indexes and indexes by using reformat. We take an count value. For example, we take 2 for count value, 8 tag create tag name. For example, output index 1 to 1. For example, output indexes 1 to many. For example, output indexes, if we are taken count value increase, the output indexes and the transform components are increased in reformat. In this output index, we write code as if we take if in city w equal to, for example, if in city w equal to Hyderabad, vector we take 0 and 1, else vector 1 comma 2 we take in brashes.
So we have a file with 10 records. Then I want to process only the records from 3rd record to 8th record in the reformat. So how will you take only 3rd to 8th record from a file?
Sir, once repeat the question, please.
Yeah, we have 10 records in a file.
Okay.
So I want only 3rd to 8th record.
Third to
third
eighth.
record to 8th record. Yeah. How will you get those records?
Third to eighth record I require. For example, if we get this one, okay. For example, if we in 3 and 8 less than or equal to 3 and greater than or equal to 8.
Where, how will you mention?
Sir?
What less than or equal? I mean, can you elaborate it? What is less than or equal to 3? What is less than greater than or equal to 3? What is less than or equal to 8?
In V0 equal to greater than or equal to 3.
Okay.
For example, okay. In vocation number greater than or equal to 3. Next, in vocation number less than or equal to 8.
Okay. Then, how will you send records to reject port in the reformer?
Reset port in a reformat. If in reformat and reset port input reset